You won't believe how smart homes have evolved, as these 12 devices you'll actually wish you bought in 2026 can think, move, protect, and automate your entire life. Number 12. Aqara Hub M3. Introducing the Aqara Hub M3, the smart home superbrain. It's Matter compatible and integrates with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. This is a multi-protocol hub and supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Thread, Bluetooth, and IR. Control TVS, air conditioners, and other appliances using a 360-degree IR blaster. For added convenience, it also supports voice commands, remote access, and smart timers. Built-in security alarms send instant alerts. Setup is easy with magic pairing, no construction needed. With local processing, it's fast, private, and reliable. The M3 also acts as a Thread border router, future-proofing your entire smart home. Number 11. Aqara Presence Soft Sensor. The smartest way to truly detect presence, not just motion. Unlike basic motion sensors, it uses AI-powered logic to combine data from cameras, locks, motion sensors, switches, and door sensors. It knows if you're still in the room, even without movement. Powered locally by Aqara Hub M3, it delivers faster, private, and accurate detection without internet. Automate lighting, HVAC, and security with confidence. It even detects inactivity for safety alerts. Setup is simple inside the Aqara Home app. Smarter presence means smarter living, effortless, reliable, and truly intelligent. Number 10. Eufy Robot Vacuum. Omni C28, the hands-free cleaning superstar. It is ideal for hard floors, wood, and low-pile carpets, with 15,000 pascals strong suction to easily pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair. Its hydrojet self-cleaning system keeps the mop clean while cleaning to avoid dirt redistribution and deeper cleaning. The 5-in-1 Omni station washes, dries, and cleans automatically. Equipped with a duo spiral zero tangle brush, it avoids hair clogs. iPath 2.0 with LDS navigation detects tiny obstacles, 2 by 2 centimeters, for precise, efficient cleaning. Control everything easily via the app. Number 9. Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is the smart family hub that keeps everyone perfectly in sync. It can automatically sync with Google, Apple, Outlook, and Yahoo to create a shared and color-coded family calendar. You can also set up individual profiles for each family member and view everything in one place. It also helps to manage chores with reminders, and to encourage kids, it includes a built-in reward system. The dashboard is fully customizable with widgets for calendars, meals, tasks, weather, and entertainment. Meal planning is made easier with recipe suggestions, pantry tracking, automatic grocery lists, and step-by-step YouTube cooking guides. It is wall-mountable in portrait or landscape. Control anytime via the Cozyla Plus app with full support. Number 8. Desloc K140 Plus is the next-level biometric lock redefining home security. It unlock with advanced palm vein recognition, safer than fingerprints and impossible to fake. Powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, it lasts up to 9 months with Type-C emergency power backup. Enjoy Wi-Fi remote access, app control, and voice commands. No hub needed. Store 100 passcodes and 100 palm profiles for family or guests. Stay protected with anti-hijacking alerts, anti-peeping codes, and door status detection. Perfect for families with smart scheduling alerts. Includes backup keys and supports, easy DIY installation with auto door recognition. Number 7. Aqara Camera Hub G350. The AI-powered 4K eye that watches your home like never before. Constructed on a dual lens system, 4K ultra-wide plus 2.5K telephoto, it provides sharpness in wide room shots and all the way to close-up zooms with 9 times smooth zoom. The 360-degree pan tilt eliminates blind spots and AI tracking tracks people and pets on its own. Innovative local AI detection identifies movement, faces, gestures, and sounds to provide smarter alerts. It also offers two-way audio to facilitate immediate communication. It is more than a camera, functioning as a full smart home hub, including Matter, Zigbee, Apple HomeKit Secure Video, Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings, and Home Assistant. Turn your entire home into a surveillance system that is powerful, intelligent, and completely connected in a single device. Number 6. Hifree Smart Table Lamp. Hifree Smart Table Lamp is the lamp that turns your space into vibe. It's quickly adjustable with Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to change brightness, effects, and colors by voice. With the Smart Life app, select from preset scenes such as reading, working, nightlight, or colorful environment. or create personalized scenes with brightness, 0 to 100%, flash, breath, and speed effects. It has 4 lighting modes: warm white, cool white, RGB cycle, and sleep light. Using anti-blue light LED and safe ABS plus PC materials, it's kid and eye-friendly. It has timers, schedules, and natural rhythm modes for bedtime and wake-up. Its small tabletop size fits ideally in bedrooms, on desks, and living rooms. Number 5, EufyCam S3 Pro is the AI-powered outdoor security camera that sees like daylight, even at night. It delivers 4K ultra-clear video with max color vision, giving near-daylight clarity even in ultra-low light. No spotlight needed. Powered by Solar Plus 2.0. It runs year-round with built-in or external solar panels for continuous energy. Its dual radar plus PIR motion detection reduces false alerts by up to 99%, so you only get notified for real threats. With 16 GB onboard storage and up to 16 TB expandable, there are no monthly fees. The system works with Homebase S, 3.8.0 AI Learning Hub, plus support for Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and more for seamless smart home integration. Number 4, Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro is the intelligent light system that will transform your television into a movie theater. It takes HDR image capture to create a balance between bright and dark scenes and keep colors and details true and clear. A high-precision triple camera system expands color detection by 50%, analyzing multiple zones for true-to-screen lighting. The strip features 75 LEDs per meter with 5-in-1 RGBWW IC technology for rich whites and smooth gradients powered by a 16-bit color chip. A compact camera module fits neatly on modern TVs for easy installation. With AI scene matching, it adapts lighting to movies, games, and videos instantly. It supports up to 10 Govee devices through Matter support and is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and app control to provide immersive home entertainment. Number 3, Google Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen. Google Nest Learning Thermostat is the intelligent climate brain which learns your home and conserves energy automatically. It is the latest and most advanced version of the Google thermostat that learns your schedule and can then optimize the comfort and efficiency of heating/cooling. It is compatible with the majority of 24-volt systems such as gas, electric, oil, heat pumps, and radiant heating without a C-wire required in most cases. Control it all using the Google Home application or by voice using Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. The dynamic Farsight 60% larger display indicates temperature, time, or weather, visible across the room. It comes with a Nest temperature sensor, 2nd generation, to control hot and cold areas in various rooms. It has the ability to save up to 31% on your energy bills, making your home smarter, more comfortable, and more efficient automatically. Number 2, StarSleep Orin Smart Rotating Bed is the next generation care bed that turns safety, comfort, and independence into one smart system. It is equipped with a one-touch 90-degree rotation to ensure that users can move freely in and out of bed. Several adjustable settings, 6 modes, enable sitting, reclining, and raising the legs with soft electric control. A low air loss mattress is soft and adaptive to fit and cushion the body. It has a soft air pressure massage with 3 settings and inbuilt heating to relax muscles and enhance circulation. The system is particularly useful among the elderly users or patients with limited mobility. It is made safe by the removable side rails, support belt, and a strong steel frame to aid stability. It has a waterproof and easily cleanable surface, which is great to use in long-term home care. Number 1, Opula Smart Coffee Table. Opula Smart Coffee Table is the world's most advanced all-in-one AI-powered furniture hub. It features automatic height adjustment, 51 to 75 centimeters / 20 to 30 inches, with a touchscreen controller and memory presets. This is a 27-inch 4K UHD retractable display that can be raised from the table with a tilt of up to 75 degrees, almost 360 degrees of rotation, and even upgradable drawing input. It can easily process work, gaming, and entertainment using power behind an optional AMD Ryzen Mini PC. It comes with Bluetooth 5.2, 2 full-range speakers, and ambient lighting to create a movie environment. Smart safety involves anti-collision detection, spill-resistant sealing, and stable lift mechanics. Hidden wheels make it movable, while storage inside keeps devices organized. Built with a premium walnut finish and FSC certified materials, Opula blends luxury, technology, and everyday usability in one smart centerpiece. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech videos. See you in next video.